Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. Install or update the Google app, sign into your Google account, and enable two-factor authentication for security. Once done, grant microphone, location, and background access so voice activation works reliably. Make sure your device runs a supported OS version and that Bluetooth is on if you plan to connect a headset. Finally, charge the device above 20% and restart the Google app so recent updates and permissions take effect. Next, configure Gemini as your interactive voice assistant and train it to recognize you. Go into Assistant settings and choose Voice Model or Voice Match, then follow the prompts to record the wake phrase and sample commands. Once trained, select Gemini or the new Assistant voice profile and enable Voice Match for personalization. This improves responses and prevents accidental triggers. Also set the default Assistant app, adjust hot word sensitivity, and pick the preferred language and dialect, so replies are natural and contextually accurate. Complete setup by performing a series of live tests to confirm Gemini responds as expected. Say the wake phrase and run commands. Place a call, set a timer, ask a factual question, and control a smart light to verify integrations. If recognition is poor, retrain your voice model, lower background noise, or tweak microphone sensitivity in settings. If problems persist, reboot the device, clear the Google App Cache, and ensure a stable internet connection. If issues remain, contact support for a diagnostic. This one tip fixes most stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.